In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily change your Samsung phone from black and white to color. Many people may accidentally switch their phone's display settings to black and white mode, causing everything on the screen to appear dull and lacking vibrant colors. But don't worry, fixing this issue is quick and simple. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and tap Bedtime Mode. So if you have bedtime mode enabled, that's what's causing your phone's display to appear black and white. If you accidentally enabled this mode or if you've set a schedule, this mode enables grayscale on your device. So to fix that and go back to the regular color mode, simply tap on the turn off button over here. If you don't want to completely disable bedtime mode, you can adjust the time on your schedule to turn it on when you don't use your device and you are going to sleep. If turning off bedtime mode didn't fix your issue, then go back to the main settings page. Tap Accessibility. And then tap Visibility Enhancements. Scroll down a bit and tap Color Correction. So if you have this turned on and it's set to grayscale, it can also make your display appear black and white. So to fix that, you can either turn this off completely or, if you need color correction on your device, select any other option except grayscale. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.